नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने हमारे चैनल इंडिया जॉब्स स्टेशन में, जहां पे लेके आते हैं हम लोग रोज़गार की जानकारी। हमेशा की तरह आज हमारे पास है इंदौर के जॉब्स। इंदौर में जॉब जो अभी रिसेंटली पब्लिश हुए हैं, सारे रिसेंट जॉब्स हैं, फ्रेश जॉब्स हैं। और इसमें फ्रेशर्स और एक्सपीरियंस होल्डर्स दोनों ही प्रकार के लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। सबसे अच्छी बात है इसमें रहना खाना फ्री है। सो दिस इज़ ग्रेट न्यूज़ फॉर दी होटल इंडस्ट्री प्रोफेशनल्स। स्टे ट्यून्ड, सारी जानकारी यहीं पे मिलेगी, ध्यान से सुनिएगा और पेन कॉपी भी लेके बैठें और पॉज करके ईमेल आईडी ज़रूर नोट करें। जहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन भेजनी होती है ईमेल आईडी बताया जाएगा आपको, तो पॉज करके ईमेल आईडी करेक्टली नोट करें। So keep your pen and diary ready with you. Stay tuned. Let's move on to the information which we have today for the hotel industry professionals. पहली requirement है Hitachi Infotech. Greetings from Hitachi Infotech. We are hiring for business development executive. Experience 0 to 2 years का बोला है इन्होंने। Location Crystal IT Park Indore. Skills lead generation, online bidding, excellent communication skill. Whoever is looking for job, willing to apply. Email ID is right in front of you, sakshi.sarma@hiteshi.com. जैसा मैंने कहा था, डायरी पेन साथ में रखें और ये करेक्टली नोट डाउन कर लें and you can share your CV profile biodata for this particular opening. Let's move on to the next requirement which we have today. This is from the Codingert IT Services India Private Limited. We are hiring at Codingert IT Services India Private Limited. Profile UX designer, service experience 4+ years, profile front-end developer, experience 2+ years of experience, skill sets HTML, CSS, JavaScript, query, Bootstrap, Elementor Builder, WordPress, WooCommerce. All these are the skills individuals should have if he is willing to join for this position. Profile is WordPress plugin developer, and for this they are looking for 1 to 3 years of experience. Skills PHP, OOPS, theme customization, plugin, and so on. You can read it. Profile BDE trainee, experience 0 to 1 year बोला है इसमें इन्होंने। Skills excellent English communication, good understanding of IT, and all these profiles, any of these profiles, if you're matching up profile, then you may apply. Email ID is there, mention hr@codingcard.com. Alright, let's move on to the next requirement. Dutech Solutions Private Limited. This is the company who are looking for the employees, candidates seeking. Dutech Solutions Private Limited is seeking fresh talent to join our sales and marketing team as interns. This is a golden opportunity to develop your skills, expand your knowledge, and build network in the industry. Current openings: sales and marketing interns, experience freshers, location Indore. Qualifications and requirements: qualification MBA. Whoever is interested and willing to join can apply. Email ID is there right in front of you within the blue rectangle, white fonts, hr@dutechsolutions.com. And this is the new requirement from Proton's Hub Technologies. And they're looking for following profiles: Java developer, Marin stack developer, AI ML engineer, senior business development executive, business development manager. And experience level also you can see for each and every position. For Java developer they need 3+ years, MERN 5+ years, AI ML 4+ experience, and senior business development executive 5+ years, business development manager 10+ years, and location Bangalore. For this BDM, location is Bangalore. Remaining positions, for remaining position, location is Indore. Interested candidates can share their CV profile biodata at this email ID, which is contact@protonshub.com. Contact@protonshub.com. This is the email ID, and let's move on to the next requirement, which is from Essentia. Essentia Luxury Hotel Indore is inviting applications for dynamic, passionate candidates for the following positions: front office duty manager, front office supervisor, F&B service, F&B manager, store and purchase, purchase executive, finance department, assistant manager, executive, engineering department, AC technician, location Indore, as I have earlier mentioned in the beginning also. This is a job dhamaka for Indoris or people who are willing to work in Indore. So bumper opening, multiple openings are there. Watch carefully, you may find your match. So for engineering department they're looking for technicians, AC technicians, location as I have said already. So good salary with benefits, stay and food will be provided by the hotel company. Email ID is hrd@essentiahotels.in. Next opportunity is from Sayaji Hotel. There are multiple opportunities actually. So Sayaji Indore is looking for all these positions, bartender, guest service associate, nightclub, and OJT front office. So whoever is willing to apply, please do apply as soon as possible, because all these jobs are time bound. So fresh jobs with fresh applications will be entertained. If it is outdated, may not be entertained. So if you're willing to join quickly, this is the fresh requirement and updated requirement. Do apply immediately. Email ID is career@sayajiindore.com. Next requirement is from JMC Hotels and Resorts. They have all these openings. Indore positions based out at Indore, Mandu, Pithampur, Moho, MP. So front office department has these openings: FOE receptionist, FO associate, and F&B department has GSA, captain, order taker, takeaway, and housekeeping department has HK supervisor, HK room attendants, sales and marketing executive, production department has all rounder chef, 25 to 28k they have mentioned the salary. Required fresh job training, industrial training for all departments. This is an additional information from them, and requirements for each department they have mentioned. Fresh job training, industrial training for all departments. So if you're fresher doing some hotel management stuff and willing to join the star hotels, good reputed hotels. This is one of them, and you can choose your area, field of expertise. It can apply as soon as possible. Food and accommodation will be provided, as I have mentioned earlier also, for all the hotel industry professionals, whatever openings we are now announcing. So this was the highlight in the beginning. Food and accommodation will be provided by the hotel company. Email ID is hr@jmchotels.com. Thank you very much for watching. So if the information which we have provided here is useful for you, do like, comment, share your feedback, and apply if you have found your match. And if you are already in good position, not looking for job change, do share so that these requirements will reach to the needy people. Once again, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.